Trump presidency has been marked as the unprecedented legal challenges ranging from civil suits to criminal investigation. This video aims to provide comprehensive legal analysis of the most notable legal cases involving around the former president, examining the allegations against him and the legal proceedings involved and the potential implication of his legacy and the American society. Civil suits. Implementing clause lawsuit shortly after Trump's inauguration, or the District of Columbia and the state of Maryland files lawsuit alleging that Trump was violating the emolument clause of the Constitution by profiting from the former foreign governments through his businesses. The lawsuits conducted that Trump ownership of the properties such as the Trump International Hotel in Washington, D.C. creates conflicts of the interest and violated the clause prohibition against gifts and the gifts from the foreign states. Trump University fraud litigations. The New York Attorney General launched a lawsuit against Trump University for a real estate profit education company owned by Trump. The complaint alleged that the university students said that false promises has been made with them to give real excessive knowledge of real estate and the direct lending from Trump, but a very little was provided and there was no value in it. The Trump settled the lawsuit for $25 million without admitting the fault. Manhattan District Attorney investigation. The Manhattan District Attorney investigation embarked a lengthy investigation into Trump financial dealings and the potential criminal activity. The probe focused on the allegations of fraud, tax evasion, and the obstruction of justice during the Trump tenure as president and prior to his election. The investigation started in 2021, conducted at Trump family-owned company, Trump Organization on fraud challenges, criminal investigations, Russian interference investigation, special investigation led by Robert Mueller examined the Russian interference in 2016 presidential election and whether the Trump was involved or Russia funds were provided in the campaign. The investigation released a comprehensive report in 2019, found that insufficient evidence to establish a criminal conspiracy between Trump and Russia. This happened in the first time of the history when Russia has such openly interfere in it, and Trump provided a great obstacle in the justice. January 16, Capitol Root riot. A House of Select Committee was formed to investigate the January 6, 2021 attack on U.S. patrol by Trump supporter. The committee inquiry focused on Trump's role in instigating the violence and his action leading up to and during the riot. The committee concluded that Trump's action constituted a violation of his oath of office and referred criminal charges to the Department of Justice. Mar-a-Lago document investigation. The FIR executed a search warrant on Trump's Mar-a-Lago residence in August 2022 to revert classified document that Trump allegedly mishandled after leaving the office. The investigation centers on the potential violation of federal laws related to the retention of the classified information and the obstruction of justice. The Trump legal cases test the extent to which former presidents can be held accountable for their actions. If Trump is found liable to any lawsuits or criminal investigation, it would send a strong message to those who think they can easily get away, and the legal battles further divided American society among political lines. The Trump supporters views that the cases as are politically motivated and attacks on him, while the opponent says that it's good for the American justice and it will ensure that justice will prevail and society will become more strong. The allegations on Trump say can make society weak, but the democratic institutions and norms can make this society more stronger. It is further undermined that the faith of government and the liberty should be upheld. In any case, as the legal battle continues, it remains seen how the history will judge Donald Trump and the challenges he posed to the American justice system.